More than 2 years after a security guard was killed on the job at a Pickering casino resort, the suspect remains at large. Police are still asking for the public's help and are now offering a $25,000 reward for information that leads to an arrest. In this case, investigators obtained a court order to release the suspect's image, but only for a limited time. That restriction comes from the Youth Criminal Justice Act because the suspect was a minor at the time of the offense. Today, the suspect is no longer a youth, but the legal limits on public identification remain. When police are searching for a homicide suspect, warning the public that the person may be armed and dangerous, limiting the ability to widely share the image can unintentionally reduce and hinder the prosecution and investigative process. This isn't about blaming the police. Investigators are asking for the authority, they received it, they used it, and they're still looking. The Youth Criminal Justice Act was designed to support rehabilitation, but cases that involve serious violence, long-term fugitives, and ongoing public risk raises legitimate questions about whether current tools align with today's realities, especially when years have passed and the suspect still remains at large. For security professionals, this case matters. It highlights the real risk of frontline work and the slow, complex path to accountability after serious violence occurs. It also points to a policy gap that deserves thoughtful, thorough discussion, not outrage. Police are still searching, a family is still waiting, and the question remains whether the justice system is helping or hindering the search for justice.